Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hiking backpacks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for a multi-day hike or just a quick trail run, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Waterfly Crossbody Sling Backpack. This compact and versatile sling bag is perfect for short hikes and casual outings. It features a crossbody design that makes it easy to carry and access while on the move. Made of durable, water-resistant material, it provides adequate protection for your essentials in light rain or splash situations. It's also lightweight, which is a big plus if you want to minimize the burden during your adventures. The build quality is solid, with sturdy zippers and a well-stitched exterior. However, it's worth noting that this is more of a day pack than a full hiking backpack. It lacks the capacity and advanced features of larger packs, but it excels in portability and convenience. The design is sleek and modern, making it a great choice for urban hikes or quick trips to the trail. If you're looking for something simple and easy to manage, this is a good option. It's not ideal for extended hikes or carrying heavy loads, but for shorter excursions or a hands-free travel solution, it's a great budget-friendly pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Nevo Rhino Lightweight Hydration Backpack. At just $20.32, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Designed for lightweight hiking, running, or biking, this backpack includes a BPA-free 2-liter hydration bladder, making it perfect for staying hydrated on the go. Its nylon construction is both waterproof and tear-resistant, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. One of the standout features here is its comfortable and adjustable fit. The shoulder and chest straps are highly customizable, and the breathable mesh back provides ventilation even on warmer days. While it offers a compact 12-liter capacity, it packs in thoughtful storage details, like small mesh pouches for quick access items and a dedicated compartment for the hydration bladder. However, it may not have enough space for longer hikes or bulkier gear. This backpack is ideal for those who need a lightweight, affordable solution for short hikes or endurance sports. While it lacks advanced features like trekking pole holders or large compartments, its unbeatable price and hydration-focused design make it a great starter option for beginners or occasional adventurers. At number 3, we have the Water Buffalo Lightweight Hydration Backpack. Priced at $27.99, this pack offers a balance of affordability and functionality. It includes a 2-liter BPA-free hydration bladder, perfect for staying hydrated during your activities. With a 12-liter capacity, it's designed for day hikes, running, and biking, offering just enough storage for essentials like snacks, a light jacket, and your phone. The build quality is reliable, with durable materials that hold up well against wear and tear. The backpack's slim profile and lightweight design make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Adjustable straps help ensure a snug fit, and the bite valve on the hydration bladder is leak-proof and easy to use. However, it lacks advanced features like trekking pole holders or waterproof zippers, which may limit its use in more rugged conditions. This backpack is a great choice for those who prioritize hydration and mobility. It's not the biggest or most feature-rich option on this list, but it's a dependable performer for shorter hikes and active pursuits, offering excellent value for the price. Our runner-up is the Maelstrom Hiking Backpack, a 40-liter day pack that packs a punch with its advanced features and spacious design. Priced at $33.99, this backpack offers exceptional value for hikers who need more storage and versatility. Made with Ripstop 210D nylon fabric, it's not only water-resistant, but also tear-resistant and durable, making it ideal for rugged trails. Plus, it includes a rain cover for added protection during unpredictable weather. The ergonomic design is a highlight here, with thick padded straps and a breathable back panel that provide excellent comfort during long hikes. Its multiple compartments, including a waterproof wet pocket, make organization a breeze. Unique features like trekking pole holders, reflective safety signs, and a survival whistle on the chest buckle add to its functionality. While it lacks a built-in hydration bladder, it does have a dedicated compartment to accommodate one. This backpack is perfect for hikers who want a versatile, mid-range option for both day hikes and multi-day trips. It's slightly heavier than smaller packs, but the extra capacity and thoughtful design make it worth the trade-off. If you're looking for a reliable all-rounder, this is a solid choice. Taking the top spot is the Water Buffalo Sherpa 22L hiking backpack. Priced at $47.99, this premium option combines comfort, durability, and advanced features for serious hikers. With a spacious 22-liter capacity, it offers ample room for gear, snacks, and extra layers, while the included 2-liter hydration bladder ensures you stay hydrated on the trail. The build quality is exceptional, using ripstop polyester and jacquard nylon for durability. Waterproof zippers protect your gear from unexpected rain, and trekking pole holders add convenience for longer hikes. The adjustable hip and chest straps provide a secure, bounce-free fit, making it comfortable for all-day use. Additionally, the wide opening on the hydration bladder makes refills quick and easy, and the bite valve is both efficient and leak-proof. This backpack is ideal for hikers who want the best of the best. It's slightly more expensive than other options on this list, but its premium features, rugged design, and thoughtful details make it well worth the investment for anyone serious about hiking or outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy hiking, and I'll see you in the next video.